A huge hi to all of our dear friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions. So today I'm here with the text effect of Jigsaw movie. This movie was released in 2017, and today I'm here to uh, introduce you the style of this movie, which we have designed from the original style of this movie. So if you want to have a logo or text with this style, this video is what you're looking for. So if you want to use any font, any language, just with a single click and get to this brilliant result without needing any special knowledge in Photoshop, just get this product without any limits. So follow me to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how you can do so. To download this product, just refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership so you can have a complete access to this product and hundreds more of products which we have in Hyperpix for our VIP members. So let's get started. We first of all right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in the window which opens right here, we have our text, which by just a single double click you can type your text, anything you like. I'm just going to go with Jigsaw. So if you pay attention, these cracks which you see in our text, it comes from the original style of this movie, which just by double clicking on this icon you can select the pattern section and drag these cracks and place it wherever you want and wherever you're satisfied, just like this. I think is perfect. Right, I'm just going to drag a little more. I think it's excellent. We just select OK without needing to do anything else. Just close the window, click save, and done. We just wait for our result, and here we go. As easy as you saw, our fantastic style was applied to this text. The result is absolutely cinematic and beautiful. So honestly, it's so stunning. Easily, you can just edit and customize the size of the font of your text. For instance, I'm just going to increase the size a little, just close, click save one more time. And as beautiful as you see, we have our result right here. So let's get on with the rest of the layers. We have the adjustments folder, which is the settings of the brightness and the contrast of our style, as you see. The next section is this a little text at the bottom right here, which easily you can just edit and go with any text you have in your mind, just like this. And the next section is the effects folder, which I just suggest you to don't touch the layers and the groups of this folder because it contains the main layers. The next part is the extrusion, which is the 3D effect, which if you want some more depth to your text, you can switch on group 2, and as you see how much more is protruding now and the depth is much more. So it's up to you, and it's absolutely interesting. Or if not, you can just go with one level, or if not, you can just switch off the whole group. Finally, we have the background folder, and the very interesting point is the transparent ability of this product, which by switching off the background, you can have your style in and brilliant transparent, get a PNG outcome and use it in all your different projects. So before we finish off the video, I'm going to try this style on a logo and test it on a logo. So we're going to see how it works out. If you followed us to this part of the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get started and see how we can work with the logo. We'll just come back one more time to this window. And now I'm going to insert my logo right here. I'm going to use Netflix logo. So we drag into Photoshop, drag into this window. Just fix the size a little, make sure if it's in the center. So we don't need to do anything else. We just drag our text towards up. Now we just drag this icon and drop onto our logo group. So as you see, our style is applied to our logo. We just one more time double click on this icon and set the pattern and the cracks wherever you think is perfect. I think everything's okay and perfect. We close the extra windows, close one more time, click save, until we be witness of our brilliant start. And here we go, our result is absolutely amazing. We hope you enjoyed this video. To download this product, just read hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and they're going to access this product and so many more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We would be so glad if you like our video and share us with your friends. Bye till one more video.